Experiencing problems activating your AirTalk wireless service? The primary cause is often related to issues with the activation number or the interactive voice response system. While the standard activation number is 228, AirTalk recommends using 1-866-505-7315 as a more reliable alternative due to recent system upgrades and potential outages. When dialing, ensure you have a strong signal to avoid disconnections. Once connected, carefully navigate the IVR menu, paying close attention to the prompts. Common mistakes include incorrect dialing, such as missing area codes or entering the wrong information like your account PIN, SIM ICI, or IMEI. If the IVR system hangs or provides incorrect prompts, try again during off-peak hours to avoid congestion. Alternatively, consider using the AirTalk app for activation, which offers a more streamlined process. Remember to restart your device and ensure the SIM card is properly inserted before attempting activation. Before attempting to activate your AirTalk wireless SIM, verify that your account is active and in good standing. Log in to the AirTalk website or app to check your SIM status, plan details, and ensure there are no holds due to unpaid bills. Insufficient balance, less than $10 for most plans, can also prevent activation. If you continue to experience issues with the activation number or IVR system, explore alternative solutions. The AirTalk app offers an in-app activation feature that bypasses the phone-based IVR. If the app also fails, contact AirTalk customer support via live chat or email for assistance. For number porting issues, double-check that you've provided the correct carrier code and porting PIN. Keep in mind that AirTalk is moving toward app-based and AI-driven activation processes, and in the future, eSIM technology may eliminate manual dialing altogether. In the meantime, proactive account verification and exploring alternative activation methods can help resolve most activation issues.